This is the camera that changes photography. And this is the phone that changes mobile. Introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra. Our camera brings 8K video resolution to photos, and we built a game-changing 5G phone around it. At the heart sits our AI pro-grade camera system with 9 times more pixels than most cameras. That means you can forget about 12 megapixels, because with epic 108 megapixel photos, you can now pinch in and in. Then you can take another photo from that, and it will still be pin sharp. And when it comes to zoom, Space Zoom will take you places no mobile has been before. You can now zoom 10 times, or an unbelievable 100 times. Yeah, for real. For low light, we've nearly tripled the sensor size to pull in way more light, so you can now shoot even more of the night. And when it comes to action, S20 Ultra brings true action cam to mobile.
Hi, Bixby. Shoot super steady.
Super sophisticated AI balances camera movement to make every frame of video just as smooth as a feature film. So you don't miss a moment, Single Take's ridiculously clever AI captures multiple formats at once. Our 8K expertise now comes to mobile. 8K Video Snap will forever change photography. You can grab a 33 megapixel photo from 8K video, and that shot will still be clearer than other cameras. With a 5G phone built around the camera, you can now share all your 8K videos on YouTube. Actually, more like seconds ago. And hyperfast 5G means your favourite movies and shows will download in a flash.
Don't die on me! Don't die, brother! Don't you die on me!
No chance. S20 Ultra's intelligent battery management gives you the power to go on and on and on. Thanks to storage going up to 1.5 terabytes, there's room to store all 750,000 of your favourite photos.
Hi, Bixby. Find my Los Angeles photos.
And while these photos are protected with Knox, we've added a secure processor that's dedicated to protecting your PIN and password too. Today, our AI pro-grade camera system changes how you capture photos and videos. And we've built 3 game-changing 5G phones around it that change mobile. Introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra.